Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Crystal Knockout, the Devil, and some butterfly stickers, Z-D3864. I've already got on Nailtiques Formula 2. And here is Crystal Knockout. And this is the Devil. It's not this, this is more of a fall polish I would think, but we're wearing it today. We're going to just slap it on and wear it anyway. It's like an olivey, greeny, browny kind of color with all kinds of like rainbow color pops on the little glitters. It's really pretty. And it was in my box of untried, so it's getting tried today. Now, I'm going to go ahead and fess up now. This was not my favorite manicure. Not even close. But you know what? I got polish on my nails, and I, I had a manicure. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So we're gonna just roll with it, and I'm gonna share it. I share all of it with you. Oh, we got to break out the cleanup brush too. Look at that, crazy girl. All right, one coat down. Let's do a second coat. And I don't really know where this polish came from. I don't know if this was one I bought when I was at... No, it can't be. I don't know how I got this one. Anywho, as far as I know, it's the only Crystal Knockout polish I own. So we're going in with the top coat, and today I'm using I&M's Out the Door. Gonna get these dry down. And I'll be honest, I wore this just like this plain to work one day so that they'd be really, really dry before I started trying to apply stickers, because I have messed up so many manicures by thinking they was dry enough and they weren't. So I got my tweezers out and I'm moving stuff around, and there we have it. So there's a swatch photo of the Devil all on its own. And these are butterfly stickers ZD3864. I don't know where they came from. You guys just have to understand my collection is off the charts crazy, and half this stuff I don't even know where I got it from. Born Pretty, AliExpress, Beauty Big Bang, Temu, Shin. I mean, this girl's bought stuff from all over the place. Now see, if these nails had not been totally dry, I would not have been able to do what I'm doing right here. I'm going to pull that sticker up. And it was stuck. You saw it kind of bounce. Yeah, it was stuck good. And I'm just kind of moving it around. I would not have been able to do that if that polish had been at all tacky. So I'm going to rub it down. And I know this isn't like great fancy nail art or anything, but this is what I did. And I share all of my manicures. From the simple to the over the top, frustratingly difficult. And today we're getting a lucky quick one in with these little stickers. I want to try to move around my nail art forte. I want to do water marbles, drag marbles, magnetics, stamping, gradients, stickers, foils. I want to play with all of it, all the goodies. So I have put some butterflies on some nails and flowers on some of the other nails. My thumb also has flowers on it. I didn't show me putting that one on. But the other ones have butterflies, and I'm looking for a little bitty one to go on that pinky nail. I'm just trying to slide up under there real easy and get that little butterfly picked up without tearing it or folding it in on itself. I hate that. So there we go. We got butterflies. And I'm going to top these with Sesh Feet today. Now, the thing I didn't like about these is I love the base polish and I love the stickers. I just didn't love them together. And that's how it goes sometimes. Woody back again for a little more FaceTime with y'all. Here we go. One more top coating. But I really did love this. And in real life, in your face, these were way easier to see, and they were so much more pretty. So that is my manicure for the day. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.